Hey guys, it's me Harsh and welcome back to my channel Baking Vibes. Tomorrow is Halloween and that is why I will be showing you an amazing Halloween treat. Today we will be making a witch's cauldron cake. For that you will require two 6-inch round chocolate cakes which I will be making using magic. So you can make the cake by yourselves by clicking over here and doubling the recipe and making 2 cakes out of it. Now I will be leveling it from the top and then dividing each layer into 2 so that we have 4 layers of cake. We will do that and then move ahead with stacking. On a turntable I have taken a cake board. You can also take a plate or anything right now because later on we will be transferring it on a different cake board or a cake stand. We will start by taking one of our layers. I have already simple syruped all of them so that they don't dry out when kept in the refrigerator. Now for the filling I am using chocolate ganache. You can also use buttercream, but remember to use something which gets freezes almost. So like a chocolate ganache or a buttercream will be nice because once we chill it, it will get hard and then we can carve it very easily. Now just spread it into an even layer. Once done, then we will repeat and keep the last layer upside down. And now after placing a final layer, we will keep this in the fridge for about 30 minutes or unless the ganache hardens. Once the cake is chilled, now it is time to carve it into a cauldron. I am using a plate which is just a little bit smaller than the cake size, and using a serrated knife, I will just trace the outline. So as you can see, this is where I have cut it, and now using the same knife from this point where this layer ends, I will gradually cut it to make it a bit sloped. Be very gentle with this and make small cuts rather than making huge cuts at a one time so that you will get the desired shape easily. So this is how the carving has turned out till now. Now we will take a second cake board and place it upside down and then flip the cake so that you can carve the bottom also. And now using the same plate, we will keep it in the center. And then carve. I carved the top and the bottom and then flipped it and again turned it to a cake stand. And now we will ice it using black icing. We have to give this a curved look so for that we have to add a lot of icing in the center area. I have iced it with my black whipped cream and I have given it a curved look so that it resembles a cauldron. Now we have to make two details to make it a final cauldron. One, we have to make a rim, and two, the handles. So for the rim, I have just taken black icing in a piping bag and just cut a hole. And then while spinning my table, I will be piping it on the edge. And now using an offset spatula, we will just smooth the joint. And now we will make the two handles at the side, for which in a piping bag I have again taken the black icing but with a round tip. We will just make a handle like this. Now our handle and rim is ready, so which means our cauldron is also ready, but it is missing something. It is missing the brew which the witches make. So for that, what I have done here is I have made some white chocolate ganache and colored it green. And I have also melted it slightly so that it is a bit pourable. So inside the rim, we will pour some of our brew, which looks very slimy. And now to give it a little bubbling or boiling effect, I have made a few cake balls from the cake scraps and some ganache. I will place some over here. I have made of two sizes, one small and one large. Just place it randomly. And now we will again add our brew, a very thin layer on our cake balls. It already is giving such a great boiling effect. Now it would be very nice, it would also give a boiling over effect. So what we can do for that is take your brew and then make it just drip from a few places, and it will look even more amazing. Well, our cauldron cake looks amazing, and it actually looks like it is a cauldron and the witch has made a brew in it. Now just to give it a real finishing touch, you can do two things. Either cover the whole cake board or the cake stand with grass, or you can also make logs out of fondant and then make fire with icing. But today I decided to go it very simple and use this grass tip to make grass, so that it looks like the cauldron is on the ground. And this is the cauldron cake that we made. I am so happy and so amazed at how good this turned out. Please make this for Halloween. I am sure you will love it. The taste is amazing. If you have made one of my chocolate cakes, then you will know that it is amazing. But it also looks amazing. So do try this and send me the pictures, for which all of my social medias are in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to like this video if you love the cake. Then I will see you guys soon. Until then, keep baking and stay happy.